The last day of this year 2024. Hello everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper on Tuesday December the 31st 2024. Yes, the last day of this year 2024. We have here three regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the 3 stars, 4 stars Sudoku and the JigSaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In today's newspaper we have also an additional with 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve this evening. Those are the letter Sudokus, the 2 stars, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. 2 JigSaw Sudokus, 1 with 4 stars, 1 with 1 star. In Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle, and these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve this evening. Not now. Now I will solve these 3 regular puzzles. First one I will do is the 3 star Sudoku number 9820. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. Usually the 3 stars has 25, this one has 26, 1 digit more. Should be a 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with the 3 stars, and for 3 stars puzzle 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Question is this a 3 stars or a 2 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and the 5. We have a 7 and a 5 in the last row, so no 7 and a 5 in these 2 boxes. 7 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and a 5, 7 and a 5. We have a 5 in the first column, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 7 goes there, so 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and the 6. We have a 3 in the third column, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 6 goes there. 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column, so the third column, the column between the second column. The only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6, 6. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next, on the last column. The only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the second row, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6, 6. Cannot continue with the 6 now, need to wait. 1 in this column, 1 in the second column, so the third column, the only place left with 1 should be there. 1, 1, okay. Need a 7 here, need a 2 there. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next, so last column, only place left with a 2 should be there. Need a 5 here. Need a 5 there. 1 in the first row, 1 in the third row, so the row between the second row. The only place left with 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in that row, so the row between the middle row. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next, so that column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below, so the last row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be here. And all the 1s are used. I can't see digit number 1, number 1. Then let me see. Let me see. We need 5 here. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the third row, no 5 in these 2 boxes. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left with a 5 in this big square. Should we have 5, 5. Need a 7 here. Need a 7 there. In this row, we have 3 missing numbers. 1 of the missing number in the second row is number 7. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 in this in this box. So the 7 in the second row could be here or there, here or there. We see another 7 in this column, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7, 3, 7, 8. Then 9 and 5. 2 missing numbers in the second row for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing, 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9, we have a 5 in the second column, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and then 9 goes there, 9, 9. Then need a 5 here, need 2 there, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 4. We have a 4 in the second column, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means 1 digit left in the second column for the number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 7. Alright, and now. Let me think. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. Come on. 3, 3. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the last column. No 9 in these 2 boxes. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 in that box. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square. Should be there. 9 in the last column. 9 in the column next. So that column, the only place left for the 9 should be here. 9, 9. 9 in this row. 9 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in that box, on the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 9 in this column, 9 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there, 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 9. Then, let me see. 4, 4. 1 box left in the last row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. Two missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, 7, 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. Same numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 3 goes at there. 2 missing numbers in the last column. For the numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. The other pair in this big square are the numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. And the 4 is missing. 3 and 4, 3 and 4 cannot fill this yet. How about these 2 missing numbers in this row? For numbers, the 1, 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and 4, 2 and 4 cannot fill this yet. Here are 2 numbers left in this row. I believe the 2 and 8. 2 and 8. We have an 8 in this big square, so no 8 there. 8 should be here. 2 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 2. 2 missing numbers in the first column for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in the middle row. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Then 2, 2. 2 and 4, we already have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 4 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in that column, so the column 3 in the middle column. Only place left for the 2 should be there. Then 2 missing numbers in the middle column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5, the 6, 5, the 6. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left with 8 should be there. 8 and a 5, we have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. For numbers 1 and 2, 3 is missing, and 4 is missing. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 3 goes there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. For numbers 1 and 2, 3 is missing, the 4 and 5 is missing. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. We have a 3 in the middle row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 3 and 4, we have a 3 now in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row below. The only place left for the 4 should be there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square. For numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in the middle row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. Finishing 11 minutes. And we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.